In this video, we'll discuss the Other mapping tool in ITICnxt. The Other tool is reserved for jobs where no other drawing tool will effectively cover the dig site. This tool should only be used as a last resort. Select the Other tool from the Drawing Tools menu. Start drawing your polygon by clicking on the map at the corner of the work area. Click again to create another corner point. Continue setting points until you have completely encompassed your work area. To close out the polygon, click on the same point where you began. You will then be asked to provide location information for the dig site. If there is an applicable address, enter it in the address field. All other fields are required. When entering marking instructions, be as detailed as possible. Provide driving directions from the nearest intersection to the worksite. When finished, click OK. Thanks for watching.